Hey everybody, coming to you from Daytona Cycle Audio in beautiful Ormond Beach. We just got the new Ground Zero red baskets in, okay? They've been on back order for months, okay? We're gonna do a quick, and I say quick, unboxing. Ready? Let's go. This is the box. It's pretty well designed. I love it. The flap, oop, look at that, okay? Whoa, okay, huh? I don't know why people do this. Okay, you get a grill with it, but on motorcycles, we will not be using the grill. But if you did have maybe lowers or something, maybe you could use it. Anyway, this is the bad boy right there. Two of my favorite colors, red and black. I mean, perfect, right? Everything here is sealed, if you can look at that. See how it's all sealed for water damage? Okay. High power, neo magnet, okay? Separate horn, so you can have separate channels. Separate channel for your horn, separate channel for your woofer, okay? We're gonna be putting these in. I'll probably do a set next week on the thing, and maybe we'll have a review on what they sound like, okay? So keep in touch. Take care.